Alright guys, we just got out of the airport. I don't really know what else to say. We're trying to figure out how we're getting anywhere. We just got picked up and now we're going to the hotel. Alright, so we're at the hotel now. There was so much traffic. It's 1:45 p.m. And so we're going to go put our bags up in our room, but our room is going to be ready for 3 potentially. Whoa! Wow, so pretty. Everything is so pretty. It's so pretty. Alright, apartment tour. So, come in the door. There's this, which has stuff in it. Oh my god, there's boogie boards! We can go boogie boarding!
Oh, look at the size of them.
That ain't gonna stop them. There's also a beach, like a camp chair.
That's what I just said.
Anyways.
Oh, there's nobody left in. No one left in oil on it. There's a room called rice and oil.
Toilet. Bathroom. Sink. Toilet. Shower. That's my first time being in the bathroom. Bed. Liv's bed. Ha. Ha. I'm kidding, it pulls out top bed. And then I don't really want to sleep on the balcony because it's really bright out there, but I just smacked my phone, whoopsies. We're going on a wild adventure. We're going for a walk. Gonna get some food for lunch. Gonna get, that was weird. Food in general, and just shop around. And I've still got my plane fit on. Mine's the track pants though. Alright, we're at, what is this called again? Honolulu Cookie. And we're going to taste test. Strawberry cookies are my favorite. They're very good. Okay, so we're trying more. I really want to try the confetti one. And the guava one. I have the guava one already. Look at my little cup. It's so cute. Alright.
You don't want the pineapple one?
Can't go wrong with confetti. We're coming back to get confetti. We're coming back to get confetti. We have to get the confetti one. And another one. I don't really taste the guava. But then I don't really know what guava tastes like, so that's a me issue. Guys, guess what? We got Chick-fil-A for lunch. Of course, waffle fries. I haven't had Chick-fil-A since 2019. I'm so excited. Mom got a salad and I got a burger. Probably the only burger I'll eat before prom, to be honest. I gotta be good. Guys, I'm in Victoria's Secret and look what they have. That's a virtual, what are you called? A virtual helper or something? Scary.
The way it works, it activates the muscles and at the same time promotes the production of collagen.
Alright, so I'll give you a haul when we get back to the apartment. But we're in Target. We're in Target. We're in Target. Whoa. Wow. We do not have this in Australia. Anyways, sorry. I see YouTubers all the time. All the time. They just buy that and they have coffee at home. Crazy, bro. Anyways, we need to find something for breakfast.
We do.
And something for dinner tonight. Not that we're that hungry. It's like 6:30 already p.m. And we're still at the shops.
It's time just gets away. See, we can buy some cold stuff.
It's really cold. Alright, I reckon we get some bread. Some nice, yummy bread. I reckon maybe some fruit, if we can. And what else do I reckon? Oh my god, Captain Crunch. We need to find Captain Crunch. I love Captain Crunch.
Blueberry bacon.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie when I almost cried because I didn't have Captain Crunch. I've gotten my Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch berries. Best one. I'm so excited, so happy. Alright, on our lovely walk back to the apartment with our groceries and whatnot, I'm going to tell you a funny story about how I smashed my head on a glass window trying to look at Pandora charms. I mean, that's the whole story. We were looking at Pandora charms and then I tried to look closer. I just forgot the glass was there and I fully just smacked my head really hard and rebounded off the thing, laughed and was like, I really hope no one saw that. And then I was laughing and I was like, wow, I'm such an embarrassment. And then this lovely guy came up and goes, don't worry, no one saw. And I was like, oh, great. Anyways, we're just walking aimlessly. Ooh, that's a nice, what is that? That's a nice car. Ooh, what is that bad boy? A Corvette?
Is there an outing? We're just walking.
Yeah, because we want to be over there at those traffic lights. We go. Do they? Let me have a look. Yeah, I don't know how to get down. Oh, there might be one down. Oh, there's found some stuff over here. This is part one of Maddie and Mel getting lost in Hawaii.
I think these stairs are blocked.
Yeah, I think that's true, but that's so scary. Yeah, that's what I was saying. We got to be over there.
This is blocked off the stairs.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm slightly scared of homeless people. Because our driver said that they're something to be really aggressive and they beat you up and steal your stuff. All of them? Oh. Whoops. I was just walking and having a great time. Oh, look at the fire. Ooh. We've made it back to the hotel, safe and sound.
We're going to have to go because there's
Never mind, we're not safe and sound yet. But we've made it back to the apartment hotel thing. We're all good. Alright, we're back. I'm going to give a haul of the groceries. So, we got family pack of Chips Ahoy because I had to get Chips Ahoy. We got the one and only thing I came to Hawaii for, / America, Captain Crunch. Specifically the berries. Best one. Argue with me, I don't care. We got a thing of water. Avocados. And also now we've got new shopping bags because we've got 10 shopping bags. So this one is Aloha. And we have one that says thank you. Maloa. I think that's how you say it. Okay. Second bag. We got eggs. Oh, put the water away. Because help. We got bread. For toast. So we can have avocado and an egg on toast. We got some chocolate croissants, some little mini ones. Ooh, we got milk for my cereal. And we got Eggos, we got the buttermilk, and we got some pancakes because they were on sale. And then this is the Maloa bag. That's what we got. So cute. And then I got some stuff from Victoria's Secret that I can't show you. But we went to Pandora this week. We got this for free. Oh, you can't see it. It's like ooh, I haven't actually opened it. It says shine bright on the lid. It's like a little jewelry build. Oh no, it feels and it's got like a little like jewelry holder. But it's like that noise. Oh, that noise is not cute. Anyways. I got the Starbucks cup that says Aloha because I wanted a new Starbucks cup and this is part of the Hawaii collection. Obviously it says Aloha. It's huge. Love it. this is gonna get me drinking water. Alright, and lastly, the Pandora chunks. So, we got 4 Pandora chunks. We got, this is mine. I don't know if you can see it. It says Hawaii on it. This is Mom's. It also says Hawaii on it, but it's different to mine. Then I finally got my graduation one. It says 2021 on it. It's finally my graduation one. It's just a year and a half late. And then I bought this for Mum for Mother's Day because it's Mother's Day tomorrow. It's a little heart. So yeah, that's our little haul. I don't know what we're having for dinner. It's like almost 8 p.m. or something. But yeah, we're probably gonna relax. I might edit or something or read. Yeah, a very quiet, relaxing, chill. Yeah. So it is almost like 11 o'clock at night. We're about to go to bed, but I'm so hungry because we didn't have dinner because we had a late lunch. So I've chucked some Eggos in the toaster and I'm gonna taste test some Eggos for you guys before I go to bed and before I conclude vlog 1. Because I think I filmed so much today, slash like traveling, that it could be one whole vlog. And maybe I'll turn each day into its own little vlog. Hopefully. That's like the goal. Will it happen? We don't know. We'll see. Well, I guess you guys will see before I see. But if I do that, it may mean that the Winterfest vlog gets shoved to the back end. Because when I get back, it's like 2 weeks in Winterfest. Alright, the Eggos are done. Oh, finally. I'm scared they're gonna be really hot though because they just came out of the toaster. This is an Eggo. Not gonna lie, I think these are better. I'm gonna toast that second one again. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it and then toast it again. But I think these are better than the Belgian waffles. But I think because they're lighter, they're not so heavy.
Like the ones with pine.
Mm-hmm.
That's all like the ones at home.
I don't like ones at home, they're too heavy on my tummy. Anyways. Probably should have got something to put on them. Because they're plain. But
Because that's what I said, maybe the brown sugar ones would have been nicer.
I'm going to bed. I'll see you tomorrow, besties.